Hello guys, welcome to the channel. It's a beautiful day here. No aircraft in the sky. Isn't that amazing? Well, the reason I'm making this video is to talk about tires and wheels. So here we have three different options. My Roxor has the BMF Rox 5.5 inch lift kit, spring over axle lift kit, and I have been looking into the various tire options, tire wheel combinations I could use on this vehicle. So let's start with the first. Here we have the BF Goodrich KO2s that come with the Mahindra Roxor. So this is a KO2 and it is a 235/70 by 16, and it is meant for a light truck. As you can see, the LT, it says LT light truck 235/70/16. It's very tiny and it just doesn't look proportionate with this lift kit. I should also specify that I have a 2.5 inch spacer on my wheel. The second option we have is the 33-inch tires right here. So these are 33 by 12.5 by 15, also for light trucks, LTs. Hope that's visible. 33 12.5 by 15s. 12.5 inches. You can see they're much wider compared to the stock tire. Now I don't know how much back spacing I have on that wheel. You can see it's quite old, a little bit rusty, but it's something I will try out here over the next couple of days. The reason I'm showing it today is just so you guys can have a sense of the size difference, how much more bigger or smaller that is. Let me try to move it over here, see if we have a better sense of the proportion. Put it on the same plane as the stock tire so you guys can actually see what it looks like. So just by installing that wheel and tire combination, I will get a few more inches of ground clearance, and depending on the back spacing, I shouldn't be able to rub, because you can see there's just so much room around this stock tire, and I believe this one will fit perfectly in there. Again, this is a 33 by 12.5 by 15 light truck LT. All right, and then we go now to the final one, which is the pièce de résistance. So this is a 37 by 12.5 by 15 BF Goodrich more terrain tire. Let's take a look. Should have this somewhere where the tire is specified, the size and everything. Not on that side where we have the white wall. Let's see here. Oh, this is actually a 35, not a 37. 35 12.5 by 15 light truck. In my opinion, I think that's like the maximum I would ever feel comfortable going with. That thing is just huge. You can see how big it is. It completely fills the if I had this mounted on there, it would just be a perfect fit. You can also try it in the back so you guys have a sense of the proportion. It's so much more taller and bigger than the stock wheel. You can see the difference. That's a good 4-5 inches taller than the stock wheel. Yeah, it's that much more taller. So I'll stand over here. You can see right here you have the 33, there you have the 35, and over there you have the stock tire. It's very hard to be able to compare when you're looking on a computer, but I'll put it right here. And you can see the cleats on here. They're so much more aggressive. The KO2s, they easily fill up with mud and then you lose traction. So let me stand back here. So even if I were to use this, I'll still have to be very careful to make sure that it doesn't rub. Might have to shave off a little bit there and there to make sure it doesn't rub when the tire flexes. But yeah, 35s, I thought they were 37s, so 35s they are. Put them side by side so you guys can have a better sense of what they look like. I don't think I want to go any bigger than 35s though. So those are the various tires for the Roxor. And I'm shooting for this. For some reason I thought they were 37s, but they're actually 35s. I will be more than comfortable. I'll be very comfortable with the 35s. That's all what I need. All right, I was just trying to let you guys have a look, see what my next project is gonna be, which will be wheel and tire combinations. So far my research has shown that 17 inches seem to be the sweet spot for anything above 33 to 35 to 37 inches. So if you have a 17-inch rim, you are in luck, but I prefer to stick with the 15-inch rims. I like the look. All right guys, so there we go today for a daily Roxor fix. Hope to see you guys on the next video, and that's what I'm working on right now, trying to get some bigger tires that suit the lift kit I have on right now and see if it works. Thanks for watching. See you guys.